low-carb, keto-friendly corned beef brisket this St. Patty's Day? Well, I've got just the thing for ya. We're going to begin by adding our corned beef to our pan. We're going to put it with the fat side up. Place it in your pan. We're going to put the juice from the package inside the pan. We're going to add a little bit of garlic. I've got some leftover vegetable broth. And we're going to cover the rest of it with water, just enough to cover it. And then we're going to add the seasoning packet of our corned beef brisket. Then we're going to put it on high on the stove. We're going to bring it to a boil, and then we'll let it simmer for about 2 hours. And in the meantime, I will prepare my carrots and my radishes, my Brussels sprouts and my onion. We'll get it on the stove. Get it boiled. It looks like the corned beef brisket is at a boil. It's time to turn it down to a simmer. We're going to turn it down and let it simmer about 2 hours. In the meantime, I've gone ahead and I've prepared my Brussels sprouts instead of cabbage. And in substitute of potatoes, we're having radishes. I've got some onion for more flavor and some carrots. We'll add those in about 2 hours. Be sure to check your pan to make sure the water is above the meat occasionally throughout the cooking. I went ahead and added my vegetables to a plastic baggie, and I'll keep those in the fridge till I'm ready to add them. We've started out with a wee 3-pound brisket that we have been on slow boil for about 2.5 hours. We're now going to add our vegetables and continue to cook on a low simmer for another hour until our meat is tender and our vegetables are also. I will continue to add some water. It sure is a colorful beauty. When your corned beef brisket is done, you want to slice it against the grain. So tender, so nice. Very good. And remember, you don't need to be Irish to enjoy a corned beef brisket dinner. Put that in your pipe and smoke it.